Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, before we move towards our today's lesson, let's give a look at what we have learned in our previous lesson. So here we have learned the body parts and the parts that are located on our head. I hope you do remember them and you have memorized them. If you still have trouble, you can always go back and watch the video lesson and memorize again. Okay, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Today we are going to learn a few more body parts, that how do we say them in Urdu. So here we have a hand. In English, we say hand, and in Urdu, haath. Haath. Then we have foot. Foot. In English, we say foot, and in Urdu, paun. Paun. Let's repeat one more time. In English, hand, and in Urdu, haath. In English, foot, and in Urdu, paun. Alright, so here we have more. Let's learn. Finger. In English, we say finger, and in Urdu, ungli. Ungli. Then thumb. In English, we say thumb, and in Urdu, angutha. Angutha. Let's repeat one more time. In English, finger. In Urdu, ungli. In English, thumb. In Urdu, angutha. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, now let's learn to ask and tell. So we say, what is this? What is this? We ask in English and say, what is this? And in Urdu we say, ये क्या है? ये क्या है? We reply and say in English, this is a finger. This is a finger. And in Urdu we reply and say, ये उंगली है. ये उंगली है. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, I hope you have understood it. Now do watch this video lesson and repeat after me and practice as many times as you can. Alright, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you in next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.